94% of productivity apps fail to improve efficiency. Shocking, isn't it? In a world obsessed with expensive software solutions, the most powerful productivity tool costs absolutely nothing. Every year, people like you waste billions on complex digital tools promising to boost productivity. Yet, most end up trapped in a maze of features, drowning in notifications and, ironically, less productive than before. This video unveils the surprisingly simple, cost-free method that's quietly outperforming every high-priced alternative on the market. You'll discover how to triple your output, demolish your goals, and reclaim precious hours, all without spending a dime. Whether you're a time-strapped professional, an overwhelmed student, or an entrepreneur juggling multiple ventures, this revolutionary approach will transform your workflow. Ready to unlock your peak productivity and leave expensive software in the dust? It's time to harness the power of the $0 productivity tool. So what's this game-changing $0 productivity tool? It's something so common, probably use it every day without realizing its full potential. Plain text files. Yes, you heard that right. Those simple, unassuming text files are the secret weapon of productivity masters worldwide. But why are they so powerful? First, plain text files are universal. They work on every device, every operating system, and every text editor. No compatibility issues, no expensive software licenses, no learning curve. Whether you're on a high-end PC or a budget smartphone, you're always just a click away from your productivity hub. Second, they're lightning fast. No bloated interfaces, no loading times, no lag. Your ideas flow from your brain to the screen without any technological roadblock. Third, plain text files are distraction-free. No notifications, no ads, no flashy designs competing for your attention. It's just you and your thoughts, laser-focused on the task at hand. But the real magic lies in their versatility. From to-do lists to project outlines, from quick notes to complex databases, plain text files can handle it all. And with a few simple techniques, which we'll dive into shortly, you can transform these humble files into a powerhouse productivity system. The best part? This tool will never become obsolete. While fancy apps come and go, the plain text format has been around for decades and will continue to be supported for years to come. Ready to revolutionize your productivity? Let's explore how to harness the full potential of this deceptively simple tool. Now, let's compare our $0 wonder tool to those expensive productivity suites. The advantages are striking. First, accessibility. Plain text files work seamlessly across all your devices. Your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or desktop, doesn't matter. Your productivity system is always at your fingertips, syncing effortlessly through cloud services you likely already use. No more compatibility nightmares or being locked out of your tasks because you forgot your login. Second, there's virtually no learning curve. Everyone knows how to use a text file. No need for lengthy tutorials, confusing user interfaces, or frustrating feature hunts. You can start being productive immediately, rather than wasting hours learning a new system. Third, instant startup and zero lag. Click, type, save. It's that simple. No waiting for apps to load, no spinning wheels, no unexpected crashes. Your ideas flow uninterrupted from your mind to the screen. But what about advanced features, you ask? Here's the kicker. With a few simple techniques, plain text files can replicate most functions of expensive software. Task management, project planning, note-taking, even basic databases. All possible with just text. Moreover, plain text files are future-proof. While apps may become obsolete or change their pricing models, text files have been around for decades and will continue to work flawlessly. Lastly, consider the mental clarity this simplicity brings. No more decision fatigue from choosing between countless apps or features. No more digital clutter. Just you, your thoughts, and a clean slate ready for your next big idea or task. In our next segment, we'll dive into specific strategies to transform these simple files into a robust productivity powerhouse. Get ready to supercharge your efficiency. Now that we've uncovered the power of plain text, let's dive into how you can use this $0 tool to revolutionize your productivity. First up, to-do lists and task management. Forget complex apps. A simple text file can become your ultimate task hub. Use dashes for tasks, stars for priorities, and brackets for due dates. For example, buy groceries today. Finish project proposal Friday. Schedule dentist appointment. As you complete tasks, just delete or mark them with an X. It's that simple. Next, note-taking and idea cap. Plain text files shine here. Create a new file for each topic or project. Use hashtags for easy searching later. Jot down ideas as they come, without worrying about formatting or organization. Your creativity flows uninterrupted. For project planning and outlining, plain text is surprisingly powerful. Use indentation to create hierarchy. For instance, Project X Phase 1, Task A, Task B, Phase 2, Task C, Task D. This simple structure gives you a clear overview of your project at a glance. You can even create a basic database using plain text. Use a consistent format like item, category, type, date, month, day. Notes your thoughts here. Then use your text editor's search function to filter and find what you need. The beauty of this system is its flexibility. You can adapt it to your unique needs and workflow. Whether you're a student organizing research, a writer outlining a novel, or a project manager coordinating teams, plain text files can handle it all. You might be wondering, this sounds great for personal use, but what about team projects? Good news, plain text files excel at collaboration too. First, let's talk about cloud storage. Services like Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive can sync your text files across devices and team members instantly. Create a shared folder for your project, and everyone can access and edit the files in real time. For version control, simply add a date to your file name. For example, Project X outline August 6, 2024.t. This way, you can easily track changes over time without complex version control system. Want to assign tasks? Use a simple coding system. Design logo, write intro, research competitors. Team members can quickly scan the file to find their task. For comments and discussions, use a consistent format. We should consider adding a section on market trends. Good idea, I'll draft something by Friday. This keeps conversations in context, without the need for separate messaging apps. Need to highlight important information? Use all caps for headers or critical notes. To do, urgent, client meeting moved to 3 p.m. tomorrow. For larger teams or more complex projects, consider using a lightweight markup language like Markdown. Still plain text, but add some formatting options that can be easily converted to other formats when needed. The beauty of this system is its simplicity and accessibility. No need for expensive collaboration software or worrying about compatibility. Everyone can contribute using their preferred text editor. Plus, it's incredibly secure. You control where your files are stored and who has access. No third-party apps holding your sensitive project data. Now, you might be wondering how our $0 solution stacks up against popular paid productivity tools. Let's break it down. First, consider project management software like Asana or Trello. These offer visual boards and complex features, but at their core, they're just organizing tasks and information, something plain text does effortlessly. While they offer pretty interfaces, they often come with a steep learning curve and monthly fees. Note-taking apps like Evernote or OneNote provide rich formatting and multimedia integration. However, they can be overkill for simple note-taking and often lock your data into their ecosystem. Plain text notes are lightweight, portable, and future-proof. What about collaborative tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams? While they excel at real-time communication, they can become overwhelming with notifications and fragmented conversations. Our plain text system keeps everything in context within project files. Task management apps like Todoist or Things offer smart features like recurring tasks and priorities. But guess what? You can replicate most of these features in plain text with a bit of creativity and consistent formatting. Now, let's talk about cloud storage. Services like Dropbox or Google Drive aren't free alternatives to plain text. They're complementary. Use them to sync and share your text files, and you've got a powerful, flexible system that rivals any paid solution. The key advantage of plain text? It's universal and future-proof. While apps may come and go, change their pricing, or become unsupported, plain text will always be readable and editable. Remember, the goal isn't to have the fanciest tools, but to get things done efficiently. Plain text strips away distractions and focuses on what matters, your ideas and tasks. Don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from real people who've transformed their productivity using plain text files. Meet Sarah, a freelance writer juggling multiple clients. She says, I used to spend hours jumping between different apps for each project. Now I have a single text file for each client with sections for ideas, outlines, and to-dos. My productivity has doubled, and I never miss a deadline. Then there's Michael, a software developer. He shares, I've tried every productivity app out there, but they all felt bloated. With plain text files and a simple tagging system, I can track bugs, plan features, and manage my time effortlessly. It's been a game changer for my workflow. Emily, a college student, found success too. I organize all my classes, assignments, and study notes in text files. It's so much faster than any note-taking app, and I can easily search across all my files. My grades have improved significantly since I made the switch. For Alex, a project manager, plain text files solved a major headache. Coordinating a remote team used to be a nightmare of incompatible software and missed updates. Now we use shared text files for project plans and task lists. Everyone can access and update them instantly. It's simple, but incredibly effective. Even in creative fields, plain text shines. Lisa, a graphic designer, says, I use text files to brainstorm ideas, track client feedback, and manage my project timelines. It keeps me organized without distracting from my creative process. These stories show the versatility and power of this $0 productivity tool. Whether you're a student, professional, entrepreneur, or creative, plain text files can revolutionize your workflow. Now that you've seen the potential of plain text files, let's dive into some pro tips to maximize your efficiency. First, master folder organization. Create a logical hierarchy that mirrors your workflow. For example, projects, active, completed, personal, goals, journal, archive. This structure keeps everything easily accessible and organized. Next, adopt consistent naming convention. Use prefixes like proj for projects, note for notes, and to-do for task lists. Include dates and file names for easy sorting. Project website redesign August 6, 2024.xt. Leverage your text editor's features. Learn shortcut keys for common actions like search, replace, and navigation. Many editors offer split-screen views, allowing you to work on multiple files simultaneously. Implement text expansion. Use tools like AutoHotkey for Windows or Text Expander for Mac. Create shortcuts for frequently used phrases or templates. For instance, typing /todo could expand into your daily to-do list template. Utilize search effectively. Most operating systems have powerful search functions. Use descriptive keywords in your files to make them easily findable later. Consider using a lightweight markup language like Markdown for more structured documents. It's still plain text, but offers easy-to-read formatting options. Sync smartly. Use cloud storage services to keep your files updated across devices, but maintain a local backup for peace of mind. Finally, regularly review and archive your files. Set a monthly reminder to clean up your active folders and move completed projects to the archive. By implementing these tips, you'll transform your plain text system into a productivity powerhouse that rivals any expensive software suite. We've journeyed through the world of plain text productivity, and it's clear, this $0 tool is a game changer. Let's recap why. Universal accessibility across all devices. No learning curve. Start immediately. Lightning fast with zero lag. Infinitely customizable to your needs. Future-proof and always compatible. Perfect for personal use and team collaboration. Distraction-free environment for peak focus. Remember, productivity isn't about having the fanciest tools, it's about getting things done efficiently. Plain text strips away the clutter, leaving you with a powerful, flexible system that adapts to your unique workflow. Now here's your challenge. Give plain text productivity a try for 1 week. Create a simple to-do list, start a project outline, or jot down your ideas. Experience firsthand how this $0 tool can transform your efficiency. After your week-long trial, come back to this video and share your experience in the comments. Did it boost your productivity? How did you customize it for your needs? What creative uses did you discover? Your insights could help others unlock their productivity potential. Plus, I'll be reading every comment and responding with additional tips and tricks. Remember, the most powerful productivity tool isn't the one with the highest price tag. It's the one you'll actually use consistently. Plain text files offer that perfect blend of simplicity and power. So, are you ready to revolutionize your productivity without spending a dime? Your journey to effortless efficiency starts now. Give it a try, and let's build a community of plain text productivity masters together. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more cost-effective productivity hacks. Until next time, happy organizing.